For me, having a good base while doing makeup is important. Make sure you prep your skin well before putting makeup on, and don't forget to put some moisturizer and sunscreen. For concealer, yes, I'm using two because I'm mixing both of my concealer to get my color and blend it using my finger, because the warmth of your finger will blend the concealer nicely. I set the concealer with loose powder using a damp sponge and make sure there is no creases. Moving on to contour, I chose a cool tone brown for shading, and again, I find it best to put the shadows with my finger. And after that, I took a blending brush and blended out with a loose powder layer. Using an angled contour brush with the same contour powder, I contour my face and put them under my cheekbones. Next, I bronze up my face using a warm tone brown. I put it around my contour and on the perimeter of my face where the sun hits your face naturally. After putting bronzer, I want to bring back the life on my face using blush. And this blush color is to die for. It's really flattering on my skin tone, and this was given. Oh my god, how sweet. And for brows, I think it's really self-explanatory though, because I'm just framing it and filling them in with a pencil. Because everyone has different preferences of how they like their brows to look like, and I like it to be natural and bushy, so I put a brow mascara after contouring them. As for an everyday makeup look, I prefer it to be waterproof, because waterproof mascara will hold your curl much longer and last a day. I want to do an ombre lips, so I'm applying the lipstick as a base and putting a wrapped cream on my inner lips and blend them together so there's no harsh line, but you gotta keep the ombre effect, you know what I mean? For the glow, I'm using a champagne color highlighter and put them on the highest point of my face. And for the last finishing touch, I put a gloss on to add some volume to my lips. So this is the final look. I hope you can learn something from this. Thank you for watching.